Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this LG ThinQ Smart over-the-range microwave with ExtendaVent 2.0 and Easy Clean. So ExtendaVent means what these under the microwave vents, they extend out. So as you can see, the filters come down and the vent extends out, and there's more filters here. So you get 2 times the exhaust capacity, so exhaust rate. This one has humidity sensing technology, so it won't it will turn off by itself, so it won't let you overcook your stuff. Of course you can force it to, but it has, if you use any of these preset settings, it'll use the humidity sensor in there to turn off whenever it feels like the cooking's done. So for the settings, you can see how, like, if you have pizza, for example, if you're eating a pizza, you can just hit frozen lasagna or pizza, so you reheat pizza, and it works really well. Actually, it's almost like heating it up in an oven, even though this is not an air fryer or anything like that. For some reason, the way it cooks it does it really well. If you have frozen vegetables that are defrosting, canned vegetables, whatever, you just falafel, like, it's got a lot of options: spaghetti, pasta, whatever. So if you want to soften cream cheese, butter, so as long as you use the preset settings, it should do a really good job. You can obviously use it like a regular microwave at the times, and the plus 30 is things like that. But it's sleek looking, really modern, has a lot of capabilities. You can attach it to your ThinQ app, and then some new products might even have just a QR code to cook your products. So you can just, like, seems like Nestle and Kraft Heinz. So if you just use the QR code from your app and then cook from there, then the settings will automatically transfer over to the microwave. Of course, I haven't used any of these features, but some people are really into using the newest features, and it'll be fun for them to kind of try it out. It fits in the standard over-the-range microwave setup, so I think it's about 30 inches wide. It's pretty quiet as it runs, and this is the sound it makes by default. Of course, you can change that. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.